Do you have these Singapore coins at home? Before you spend them, let's find out if they are just worth 1 cent, or if they hold any hidden numismatic value. Today, we're exploring the real story behind Singapore's 1967, 1976, 1986, and 1991 1-cent coins to see which are actually collectible and which are simply common currency. This video is strictly for educational purposes. Coin valuations mentioned are based on verified auction records and price guides, not speculative claims. This is not financial or investment advice. Let's start with the 1967 edition, which marks the inaugural year of Singapore's independent history. The Marine Life series, featuring the seahorse, remains significant to numismatists as it represents a pivotal moment in Singapore's maritime identity. These coins were struck in bronze and were mass-produced for daily circulation during that era. Consequently, most specimens found in circulation today show significant wear, which unfortunately reduces their desirability to serious collectors. According to numismatic auction records, the average circulated 1967 1-cent coin holds only its face value. However, specimens in pristine, mint state, MS, condition have been recorded in auctions trading between $5 and $15. Moving on to next top coin of the 1976 1-cent coin, which continued the iconic Marine Life series. By this time, Singapore's economy was rapidly industrializing, leading to more standardized and efficient coin production. Because minting technology had advanced significantly by 1976, the strike quality on these coins is generally superior to those from the late 60s. The seahorse design remains a classic representative of that era's numismatic output. Determining the rarity of this specific year depends heavily on the condition of the coin. Collectors are primarily looking for specimens that have remained protected and have never entered general circulation. When examining these coins, look closely at the surfaces. Any signs of corrosion, heavy scratches, or environmental damage will immediately negate any collector value, as demand is almost exclusively for coins in near-perfect condition. In today's market, a 1976 1-cent coin in high-grade mint state condition, especially if authenticated and encapsulated by services like NGC or PCGS, typically trades in specialized auctions for between $3 and $8. In 1986, the design underwent a significant transition with the introduction of the Floral series. The seahorse was replaced by the national flower, the Vanda Miss Joaquim orchid, symbolizing Singapore's vision as a garden city. By 1986, the minting process was fully automated, resulting in extremely high uniformity across the mintage. Collectors appreciate this series for its aesthetic appeal and the profound national symbolism it represents. To properly assess these coins for a collection, focus on the patina of the bronze alloy. A natural, even-toned luster is highly preferred by collectors over coins that have been cleaned or harshly treated. Experienced numismatists look for sharp definition in the orchid petals. A strike that showcases crisp, clear lines without distracting marks in the field area will always command higher interest from serious hobbyists. A 1986 1-cent coin in standard circulated condition carries only its face value. However, high-grade, uncirculated examples that retain their original mint luster can be found in auctions for $1 to $5. The next Singapore 1991 1-cent coin arrives toward the latter years of the Floral series. By this stage, the minting process was perfectly optimized, resulting in a very high volume of coins that remain widely available today. Due to the extremely high mintage figures, these coins are considered common. Please be cautious of any claims suggesting these are rare treasures, as the market availability does not support such statements. True potential for value in these coins exists only if a genuine mint error is present. Examples such as an off-center strike or a clipped planchet are rare, but they must be professionally documented to have collector value. Expert collectors emphasize that age alone does not dictate value. The true treasure in numismatics is found in certified error coins or specimens that have been preserved in perfect, original condition. A 1991 1-cent coin in circulated condition is worth its face value, while mint state examples, if professionally verified, generally fetch $2 to $5. If you found this factual information helpful, please subscribe for more reliable and educational coin knowledge.